I am Uber God.
Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Maskit and I'm on the trip of a lifetime in Hawaii, documenting it all for 3 weeks. Enjoy! Hi guys, good morning. It is day 16 of the vlog. Today we made it up north to Hanalei. Someone's very ready for Christmas. Fruit is for sale, not photo props. I think that's a sign for me and for Ali. Guys, this has become a routine, eating unhealthy shit and watching the sunset. Chips, Oreos, and salsa. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So this morning we are going on a helicopter ride around Kauai. We are so excited. I'm a bit nervous, but that's okay. It's open doors, so
it's gonna be great. We've both never done doors off, so this is gonna be an experience. Could not have picked a better day. Fingers crossed, because the weather changes quickly, so fingers freaking crossed.
I know. Oh my god, we're about to get a helicopter. Guys, we just did the helicopter ride and it was amazing. Ali's first time at Walmart. Oh my god.
Mega stuff. Down my side. Golden.
I'm just doing my makeup right now. It is like 6:50. I'm so tired. I'm leaving it natural. I don't really think I showed you guys a lot of the hotel, so please focus. There's a beach just behind the grass area. And that's the reception over there. Hello. Waimea Canyon. This is insane. We were here yesterday for the helicopter ride.
It is the wettest location in the world with an average rainfall of 400 to 600 inches a year.
We're eating some fruit.
Question you may feel deserves a mention. Oh, there. Oh, they got it all.
So up here where we're going is the wettest part on earth. Okay, we didn't even say how we met you.
This is our good buddy Ken.
This is our good buddy Ken.
We met a few days back.
I am Uber God.
Yeah, exactly. He picked us up from Wai'Ale'Ale Falls, and then last night we were like, oh, we don't know how to get back to the top of the mountain. And we called him last night and we were like, hey, do you want to take us up to Kauai? And he was like,
I had a passenger anyway going there at the same time they wanted to go there.
So we spent the entire day pretty much just playing music, hanging out.
Yeah. Currently we are in the clouds, basically. We're having tacos right now. Yum, yum, yum.
See many so
pretty. We're running to get the sunset, guys. Oh my god. No, this isn't real. This isn't real. Stop. Woo! Ken, wait, what are you doing tomorrow morning?
Putting up Christmas lights.
Oh, exciting. I'm Jewish,
light
but that
sanctuary.
sounds so fun.
Yeah.
Wherever I go, I will return again to my
Fuck, that's room service people. Guys, they're literally gonna kick us out. I think they're gonna freak out a little bit when they see this. Wait, guys, don't blame me. This is clean laundry that I haven't gotten to yet. I only have 11 minutes. Oh, 12 minutes now. Are you serious? Oh no. I think they're here.
5 more minutes. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Thank you.
5 more minutes.
'Cause we don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be
Vegan. So we want to have this pineapple, but we don't know how to cut it. I think our best option is to use the tools of our generation, YouTube.
At the grocery store.
Okay, no one cares.
First thing you're gonna do is lie the pineapple down on its
Oh, I already did that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, oh my god, I did it. Oh my god. So pretty, like a souvenir or something. Cool. Anyway,
Yeah,
guys.
good luck taking that through Australian border
I'm
customs.
joking.
Great.
Oh my god.
You're doing
Oh my god,
amazing.
Mom, I did it.
center.
Straight down center.
2 equal halves.
Alright, wait, let's do that.
Give me an M, give me an A, give me an S, give me a K, give me an I, give me a T.
What does
does
that
it spell? Maskit's cutting the pineapple.
Oh my god, I love it. Cool spelling bee. Guys, this is so hard.
You did it, you almost
Yeah,
did
but I'm
it.
doing it. I f***ed it up. I like did it on an angle.
Proud of
Okay,
you.
guys, 3, 2, 1.
Split it open.
Woo!
Just
Oh my god. Okay, guys, let's see what the next step is.
like. Next step.
All you need to do is take the edge of your knife and line it up with the edge of the core and slice down and
How is she cutting hers?
Just like that, like a little triangle.
This
Is it
is
good?
not as Hawaiian as I thought.
Not as Hawaiian. What do you mean? It's quite juicy. Oh, it's tangy.
I haven't packed yet.
What time is it?
10.
And I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest.